Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get TextNow on your phone. So firstly, let's head over to our Play Store app and try downloading it from Play Store. Okay, let me search for TextNow. So as you can see now, it is telling me that this app isn't available on Google Play in my region. So it means that this app isn't available in Nigeria location. So some of you might be having this error, and if you're having a USA Gmail account or USA Google account to be precise, you might be seeing this app. So if you are getting this, I'm going to be showing you how to fix this issue. So just make sure you have about 2 Google accounts on your phone. So first things first, search for a strong VPN. You can use any VPN. So I'll recommend this free VPN for you, which is the Super VPN. Okay, so this is it here, the Super Unlimited Proxy VPN. This is it here. So I'm also going to be dropping the link to this VPN in the description below. So you click on it and download this. So I already have it downloaded, but I just have to update it here. So I'm going to update it. Alright guys, so the update is done. So all you just have to do is to close all your recent apps. So just close all your recent apps, then go to the VPN and open it. Okay, you accept the terms and conditions. Once you are done accepting, then click on this fastest location. Then once you're done clicking there, you wait for it to load. Then once it's done loading, then you click on the USA location. So let's say I'm going with Chicago, so I'm just going to be clicking Chicago. You can click on any of your choice from the USA or from the UK. So I'm going to be clicking on Chicago. Alright guys, so it is done connecting to Chicago now. So all you just have to do is to go to the Google Play Store, hold on the app, click on App Info. So once click on App Info, all you just have to do is to clear the storage of the app, clear the cache. Okay, once clear the storage, the cache is also going to be cleared automatically. Then for stop the app, once you're done for stopping the app, then open it. So now you just have to switch your Google account to another VPN. So you're just to switch your Google account to the second Google account on your phone, then accept. Then you search for the TextNow. As you can see now, I have TextNow on my phone. So you just have to just click on it and install it. Alright guys, so the app is now downloaded. So this is how you can easily get the TextNow app on your device. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching guys.